splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night.
Show how the different nozzles come out.
Everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling.
Got a few leaks, bad gaskets, but been holding on to hose gaskets for about 10 years. I had them on my board, never needed them. Now I need them. Okay. But Chase is going to do a little quick spray here. Let's see if we get any foam out of it. What the heck are you doing?
Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splash, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Hey, yeah! Bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Yeah, flip flop, they was doing the bop. All the teens had the dancing bug. There was Lollipop with a Peggy Sue. The golly Miss Molly was even there too. Well, a splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was a rolling and a strolling, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, splishing and a splashing. Hey, yeah! Yes, I was a splishing and a splashing. I was a rolling and a strolling. Yeah, I was a moving and a grooving. Woo! We was a reeling with the feeling. It was a rolling and a strolling, moving with the grooving, splish, splash. Yeah, splishing and a splashing. One time I was splishing and a splashing. Woo! I was